Stunningly elegant Downtown Williamsburg custom dream home. Classic colonial curb appeal with a fresh and light open floor plan, cozy gas fireplace and coffered 9-foot ceilings. Gleaming Renaissance solid mahogany flooring throughout. Newer architect designed with 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, one is a secondary ensuite on the first floor. Dream gourmet kitchen with Moore's custom cabinetry and dual fuel range/oven. Impressive landing on second floor leading you to primary ensuite with double tile shower and frameless glass door, beautiful freestanding claw tub. Second bedroom with lovely custom built-ins. Vaulted ceiling, screened porch. Lovely spot to enjoy the colonial gardens leads to brick patio with firepit, picket fenced yard with privacy landscaping and built-ins. Classic colonial curb appeal with a fresh and light open floor plan, cozy gas